Thank you, Rachel. A highly contagious bacterial infection, otherwise known as whooping cough, is surging in parts of the state. CDC data shows as of October 12th, there are 408 reported cases in Idaho alone, which is a drastic difference from the 15 cases that were reported at the same time in 2023. Case numbers are also on the rise in other parts of the Northwest.
What we're seeing, if we look at our cases, most of those cases are in children. And they're kind of the tip of the iceberg, with pertussis.
The CDC says if you end up getting whooping cough as an adult, it shows up as a mild cough, a fever, and a runny or stuffy nose for about a week or two. But the disease can be worse for younger children.